Little Seahorse and the Big Storm. A big storm made the waves go up and down. Oh no, cried Little Seahorse, and the big waves took her away from home. The big waves went up and down. Little Seahorse went over and under. She was scared. Oh dear, cried Little Seahorse. I want to go home. Hello, Little Seahorse, said Dolphin. I'm a long way from home too. The big waves went up and down. Little Seahorse and Dolphin went over and under. I'm scared, cried Little Seahorse. I am scared too, said Dolphin. Come and swim next to me. We can swim into the cave. It was safe inside the cave. I'm happy you are with me, said Little Seahorse. I'm happy you are with me too, said Dolphin. Little Seahorse, look out. Can we go home? Said Little Seahorse. The waves are not big. The storm is over. Yes, said Dolphin. You can swim next to me. Little Seahorse saw Father Seahorse. I was lost in the storm, she says. Dolphin helped me to swim home. I'm so happy to see you, said Father Seahorse. And I'm happy to see you too, Dolphin. 좋아요, 구독, 뿅뿅!